All right, guys, we're gonna have a 2010 Honda Pilot right here. Came up with the catalytic converter, bank 1 and bank 2. So they are defective. We got the new one and we're gonna replace them. So basically for the front one is 3 hours, for the back one is 3 hours. All you need to do, just take off the pin for the grill, lose the radiator. You don't need to disconnect any coolant hose or anything. Just, it has got 2 fans. Take the passenger fan off of here, and then you need to lift up the vehicle and take the screw off. First of all, the upstream oxygen sensor and downstream needs to come off. Make sure you disconnect them, make sure you don't switch them and all this stuff. And then you need to put some WD-40 or PV Blaster, loosen this screw and this two for the EGR valve. And then here, make sure always you replace the gasket on this vehicle, on any kind of vehicle I mean. So when you do that, then you need to have somebody else to hold to help you hold back this radiator. When you take off the fan is over there as you see. Then you do that, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull it out that way. And let me show you, we're gonna replace both of them, a new one. So make sure you get the good quality, because otherwise it's gonna throw the check engine light back on again. And this is the other one, and this is for the EGR. It goes over there again. Definitely make sure you get it from the good auto parts supplier like Excel, AutoZone, or Ali. They have it for 5 years, sometimes 3 years warranty on the part, and that way you're gonna have a peace of mind what you are doing. On the back side, since you raised the vehicle, it's gonna be much easier, but it has got its own story. So it's kind of like a little bit tight room to take it off. But again, you don't need to remove the subframe. You don't need to lose the subframe. All this stuff, you should be able to take it off. One more time, mark the upper oxygen sensor and downstream, and make sure you're not switch them. Sometimes they have the same connector. It's kind of confusing. And put them aside. Make sure you tight that, replace all those gaskets, and tight back the oxygen sensor. You don't need to over tight it, just a little bit. It's gonna get tight over the time when it gets hot. And reconnect them. When the job is done, make sure you reset the code and drive it. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you next time.